Hi, here we have a beautiful 1946 Steinway Model M in cherry. This piano was purchased, rebuilt in 2005 through the Steinway store here in New Jersey. So it's a Steinway rebuilt piano. It still has the original ivory keys on it, which is unique because typically at this age they've been replaced because the ivories are in terrible condition, but these ivories are almost perfect. One small little notch on that key, other than that they're perfect ivories. Piano sounds impeccable, brand new Steinway parts, Steinway hammers, soundboard looks fantastic, and you're going to buy this at a fraction of what you would spend anywhere else. It's a very nice, warm, full, buttery kind of a sound. So there you have your 1946 Steinway, rebuilt in 2005. Thanks for listening.